not my answers or objections.
Yeah, I need to see the answers. I'm sorry, I need to see the answers and the objections.
Oh, yeah, that's fair. Let me,
And also, Your Honor, remember, this was done October 30th, 2020. So these answers need to be updated, but I had less than 20 days to update them.
When's your trial setting on this?
June.
May?
May.
I don't recall it.
I'm just ruling on the objections at this point, whatever
July
objections you want me to rule on. Unless you, have you guys conferred on this at all?
No, Your Honor.
Well, we talked a little bit, and Mr. Leidick indicated he would get back to me about these things, and then I never heard from him. And I just wanted to get this thing moving forward. So,
well, I have to contact my client, and I have been unable in less than 2 weeks to contact my client. And trying to contact my client to get her to sign, as you know, the interrogatories is just almost impossible. And when I say to supplement, as soon as I contact my client and get her over to sign these things so I can notarize.
well, I'm okay resetting all of this, Judge, for a couple of weeks if Mr. Leidick feels like he can get that done in a couple of weeks. I just don't want to be on the verge of the trial date, and then I don't have my discovery, and then I'm not being diligent.
Absolutely. I totally agree with him, Your Honor.
I guess my main question is just, are there issues that I need to rule on in terms of objections? Because that's really the main issue. Is there an objection that you plan on standing on, Mr. Leidick, that I need to rule on?
And Your Honor, at this point in time, I have not I've looked at answering the questions, not objecting to them. Okay. And so waiving it's over 15 questions, I will give him the answers that my client had and that I title documents, which he already has. But stuff like that, I mean, again, I feel that the time limit on this, that he gave us, if you get 30 days to do interrogatories, you should have at least 30 days to do the motion to compel to get the answers to him. So I'd like to have, at least 30 days from today to get it to him.
Mr. Harder?
I can live with that, Judge.
Okay. Guys, you try to work it out, and if you can't, just set a hearing, and glad to hear it. But Mr. Leidick, you need to get this stuff supplemented as soon as you can, okay?
Yes, sir, and I totally intend to do that, or I'm going to file a motion to withdraw if I can't get a hold of my client. It's been over a month now that she hasn't.
Well, that's a problem. I would get that on file as soon as you can if you think you can't, if she's not going to respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Okay.
I will.
All right, guys.
Thank you.